It's Poppy here from Super Fun Toy Pop, and today we have got some surprise NUM NOMS. So we've got Minty Swirl, Mary Mulberry, and Connie Confetti all ready to be peeled open, and a giant NUM NOMS surprise box made out of Play-doh in the back. I think I'm going to go with Mary Mulberry first. Here she is. Her big purple swirl. How about let's just peel into her. Oh, Mary Mulberry. Oh. I wonder what we've got in here. Oh, look! It's our first NOM! This is Pinky Lemonade. All cute with our little sprinkles on top and our orange bow. Put her right here. Let's open up Minty Swirl, who's already sitting in a little ice cream cup with a bite of that. How cute. Alright, Minty Swirl. Oh! I think this one might be a NOM. And it is! This is Tropical Go-Go, and she smells like a peach. And there she goes. Next up, let's take apart Connie Confetti. All her cute little sprinkles and her happy little face. All right. This is Lemony Burst. And as you might have guessed, she smells like lemon. Almost looks like she has little lemon bits on top. Cute. Put her over here. Now, we've got the great big NUM NOM box at the back. We've got our NUM NOM letters. Oh, and we've got them here. And our little NUM NOM. Actually, that would be a NOM. Okay. Any guesses? Let's just tear it open. Look! We've got Neapolitan ice cream with a motorized NOM. Cute. Shows all our combinations of Neapolitan ice cream on the back. And let's open. There we go. How cute are these guys? We've got our huge list. Look at that bite out of the top. And we've got strawberry sprinkles, caramel cream, delicious little waffle ears, very cute. Nilla swirl, this looks like she's giggling. Our little motorized nom in a waffle cup. And this looks like Choco Go-Go. Delicious. Oh, cute. And comes with a cute little pink scoop. Here we are with our cleaned up Num Noms. We've got our 5 nums and 2 noms. Our little scoop and our little waffle cone. Oh, and we're missing our little cup. There we go. Looking all cute. Let's turn these guys on. Hope you guys had fun watching unboxing of our Num Noms. Remember to click like if you want to see more Num Nom videos and hit subscribe to see what we're up to. Thanks for popping by.